favorite fruit to eat?
This one.
That one? Plastic? Plastic is your favorite fruit? Yeah, so what is your favorite fruit? On day 3, God made plants and trees. Trees. Yes. Did you know the fruit we are eating grows on trees? Did you know the fruit we are eating grows on the trees? Yes. So everything God made was very good. It was super very good. So Joanne, what is your favorite fruit to eat?
This one.
That one? Plastic. Plastic is your favorite fruit? Yeah, so what is your favorite fruit?
Pineapple.
Pineapple, yeah, especially pineapple freshly picked up in the Philippines, right? Yeah, so pineapple is our favorite fruit, and my favorite fruit is strawberry. Yes, strawberry. What about you?
From the bread, I like that. That one.
Pandesal?
Yeah, pandesal.
I actually love pandesal so much. We just traveled. We just had a mission trip to Philippines. Yeah. So what about you guys? What is your favorite fruit to eat? So today we are gonna make a fruit salad. So
Fruit salad.
yes, this is the fruit we prepare. First, strawberry, apple, and tangerines. These are the fruits we can usually eat during Korean winter. Yeah.
From here, I like strawberry the most.
Strawberry the most. Okay.
And then this and then this.
Yeah. So use your plastic knife or butter knife to nicely cut and put it in a cup or plastic container. Yes.
I never did this.
You never did that?
Yeah.
Cut it into half?
Yeah.
Okay. So you must use the plastic knife. Yeah. Very gently. Yeah. So make your best fruit salad. Yeah. Let's see how Joan Onni is making. Okay. Yeah, you are Onni, I think, to everybody because this is
Not
from the
Ate.
preschooler. Ate? You want to be called Ate? Yeah. We just had a mission trip to Philippines and she loves Philippines, everything about Philippines. She wants to be
Except-
called.
And
That's secret. Except beep. I'll make it everything. Beep. All right.
you should be careful with
Yes.
the knife.
Yes, you should be very careful using a knife.
Babies cannot use this knife at all.
Yeah. I think babies cannot use the knife at all. Yeah,
Yeah.
mommy should help. Now, Joan Onni is cutting the apple into small chunks. Yes, small chunks, and
I think I will make something with this.
you'll make something with it.
Yeah.
And tangerine, I think you can just use your hand. Yeah.
No.
Use your. Are you gonna cut that too into pieces? Okay. Let's see how her fruit salad will be.
Just don't look. This is too big. Can I eat it?
Okay. And you can eat. Yeah, you can eat just one or two. Okay, not more than that. Are you
Just
done?
1 and 2? Okay.
What? One more time. Okay. Yes.
I think I'll not cut.
All right. So now you put them.
Not yet.
Not yet. Okay.
Now,
Okay. Yes.
wet.
Yeah. So. You can use your spoon to put the fruit chunks
I want to make a little bit
like
little bit
layer.
amazing.
Yeah, you're gonna surprise everybody. You're making
No.
something amazing.
Like parrot.
Oh, you're making a pattern with fruit. She's making a pattern with fruit.
Like this.
Oh. Yeah, she really makes a pattern with fruit. Ooh. Okay. Now she's done. Yeah, she just made very nicely fruit salad.
Don't do like that.
Ah, yeah, sorry. Fruit salad. This is her fruit salad. Yes, fruit salad. So what about your fruit salad? Yes. How does it look like? Yeah. How's the taste? Sometimes we put a little bit of lemon, and sometimes we put some soda, a little bit of soda there to make it sweeter. Sometimes your mommy puts
I want
that, right?
lemon.
You want lemon there?
Yeah.
Later. Okay. So how's the taste? Good?
Good.
Yeah, so enjoy your fruit salad.